So guys, welcome back to Speaker Now. So sesibone in July. So today siphethe ama-model noma ama-designer. Angiqale lapho mhlawumbe uintroduce uba uyi-model noma i-designer ngoba awusali in July.
Oh yeah, I know. Designer, noma ne-model lami ngisanje.
Okay, the model. Maybe ithini i-brand yakho abantu bezokulandela.
Brand yami is Dressed by Note.
Note. Okay, I was based like it.
Yeah, best Durban Sempangeni.
Sempangeni.
Yeah.
Okay, I know. So kubona lapha ya showcase lapha ne
Yeah, I'm showcasing.
So phethe ama-model amangaki?
Only one today.
Okay. So ake size kuyona i-model uyaqala uza ku-Durban July noma uqala?
I've been here in Durban July since 2018.
Yo, umuntu wakhona. So nayo confident as i-brand namhlanje.
Yeah, because I've been working with different design here. So as a model, so for me, I have a lot of confidence.
So niyilandelile i-team.
Yeah, no.
Noma nje ngivele ayishaye into yakho.
Yeah.
So what country I lose? Editors or colors, landscape for silhouette.
I think on my PC I have a picture of you wearing yingwe noma yini. I think it was 2022.
Yeah.
Yes. Ngiyakubona ukuthi awuwena la. So khona ipicture ngishaye yona lapha ngiyingwe lapha. No, all the best bafethu. So ngibona mase nikhona lapha ne-stage. Athi ngihamba kahle. So uthe athi nama socials zakho?
Facebook Notho khona kuhle Gambush.